Currently, Azerbaijan and Armenia are on a war with each other. Last time they fought a full-scale war in 1990s, almost 30 years ago. So why Azerbaijan and Armenia are still fighting with each other? If we want to understand the main reason, we will have to look at the history of these countries. Before 1920, both Azerbaijan and Armenia were part of a same federation called the Transcaucasus Federation. After the First World War, this federation was dissolved and both of these nations joined the Soviet Union. During the Soviet era, both of these communities lived peacefully side by side with each other. During the Soviet times, Soviet leader Stalin gave the Nagorno-Karabakh region to Azerbaijan, though this region was populated by ethnic Armenians. For this decision, both of these countries are still fighting with each other. As the population of Nagorno-Karabakh is majority ethnic Armenians, Armenia wanted to control the region. But Azerbaijan sees this region as a part of Azeri lands and wants to control it as well. This region makes up almost 15% land of Azerbaijan. So during the end of 1980s, when the Soviet Union was in the brink of collapse, this Nagorno-Karabakh region voted to stay with Armenia, as the population of Nagorno-Karabakh region is majority ethnic Armenians. But Azerbaijan saw this as a violation of international laws and wanted the land back and went to war with Armenia. Nagorno-Karabakh declared itself independent. The war lasted almost 6 years. 30,000 people lost their lives. After the war, Armenia took control of the whole Nagorno-Karabakh region and some parts of Azerbaijan. If you look at the map, you will see that 15% of Azerbaijani land is now controlled by Armenia. In 1994, the war was over, but not a single country recognized Nagorno-Karabakh as an independent state. After that, Armenia and Azerbaijani forces continued to engage in various clashes because, as you know, how can one independent state can survive within another state? The population of Nagorno-Karabakh region is almost 150,000. Azerbaijan is a Muslim majority state. Almost 97% of Azerbaijanis are Shia Muslims. On the other hand, 95% of Armenians are Christians. Religion is also playing a key role in this conflict. Last time these two countries fought was in 2016. Almost 200 soldiers and civilians died that time. As a Muslim Turkic country, Azerbaijan gets a huge support from Turkey, who's being a key ally of Azerbaijan. Turkey has declared to stay with Azerbaijan and support Azerbaijan any way possible. Even Azerbaijani troops are using various types of modern Turkish weapons and drones. On the other hand, Armenia got the support from Russia. Russia has a military base in Armenia and almost 5,000 Russian troops are stationed there. But this time Russia is calling both sides to calm down and to start negotiating with each other. This time the fighting started from a town called Tabush. It's not clear who started the first shot, but both Azerbaijan and Armenia blamed each other for starting the conflict. Both of them using heavy artillery and drones. Russia is trying very hard to bring both sides to the table, but the situation won't change. So there isn't actually any possible solution for this conflict as long as Armenians are not moving from Azeri lands. Let me know about what you think about this problem on the comment box below. Thank you.